This year, the Recovered Carbon Black Conference is coming to Bangkok. The conference will be in the Avani Sukhumvit Bangkok Hotel. Which RCB producers are in Thailand? Green Rubber Energy has received an investment from Japanese trading company Marubeni, who also invested in German RCB Nanotechnologies. Eco-Infinic licensed technology from the Taiwanese company Enrestec and plan to build a factory in Phoenix City, USA, together with Continental Carbon. You can still book tickets, send us a presentation abstract and also sponsor the conference. See you in Bangkok for RCB Asia.